In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Rakuten affiliate account. So what you want to do is first go to Google and type in Rakuten affiliate. And once you've done this, you click on the first website over here, which is from Rakuten Advertising. And then, as you can see, up here, you can click on Become a Publisher. And that's exactly what you want to do. So you click on this. And then you have to put in your company information, your contact and account info, and then your primary website info. And once you've done all of this and filled all of that in, you have to set your payment threshold and then your language preferences, and then select your email subscriptions preferences as well if you want to receive those notification and promotional mails or not. And then you have to read and scroll to the bottom of the membership agreement. I suggest you heavily that you read through this entirely until you understand it well. And just after doing that, accept it down here where it says I have read and accept the terms and the other check marks. And once you've put in all your information, all you have to do is click on this blue button which says sign me up, and you've successfully created your Rakuten affiliate account.